welcome to a recipe video. Today we're making 2 at-home coffees. I am so excited to share with you. I am going to make the candy cane cold brew as well as a gingerbread whipped coffee. They're both delicious. So let's get started with the candy cane cold brew. First, you're just going to want to fill your cup with ice. And then we're going to use some peppermint syrup. And I just got this on Amazon. We're going to do 2 tablespoons in the actual cold brew. I know it seems like a lot, but I tried to do less and you just couldn't really taste it. So you can kind of dial it back, whatever. This is the cold brew I'm using. You can use any cold brew, or you could just use an iced coffee as well, brew it at home. And then you're going to mix that together so that the peppermint syrup and the cold brew can just really combine. So now you're going to want to set aside your cold brew, and you're going to want to get a separate cup that you can make the cold foam in. So I used a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. You can use a dairy-free alternative, and then I added food coloring just to make it a pretty color. You totally don't have to do this, but it's fun. And then I added 2 more tablespoons of peppermint syrup to the cold foam. Trust me guys, you need that much to taste it, at least of the kind of peppermint syrup I was using. And then I added 2 tablespoons of white chocolate syrup. This just gives it a smooth flavor. It was so good, guys. I'm just dying for you to try this and let me know if you like it. And then you're going to go ahead and take one of these little nice mixers. I'm going to link the one I have down below. It's from Amazon. And you're just going to want to froth the heavy cream to make it more like a cold foam. And then you can take your cold brew and just pour your cold foam right on top, and it makes this beautiful pink candy cane coffee delicious masterpiece. And I went ahead and topped mine with some crushed candy cane, which is obviously optional as well. But guys, I love this drink. It's so good. So if you try it, please let me know if you like it. Moving on to our gingerbread whipped coffee. It's a twist on the traditional whipped coffee we all loved during quarantine. So once you have your ice, you just fill it with your milk of choice. But you're going to do just the typical whipped coffee recipe, which is 2 tablespoons instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. But instead we're going to add some spices too. So we're going to add nutmeg, ginger, cinnamon, and clove. I'll have all of the measurements down below. And I did make 2 servings here, so when you make it, if you make it for just one person, it won't be this much, just so you know. And then you're going to mix it. And I know some people had trouble making whipped coffee. You really just have to be patient. Like, it takes like 5 to 7 minutes to whip it. So I kind of tried to show that here by showing you more of the process, but I did speed it up by like 8 times. So just so you're aware, it does take a while. Just be patient and it's worth it. So these peaks are exactly what you're looking for. That's when you know that the whipped coffee is the perfect consistency. And then you're just going to want to spoon it on top of your milk. And I just love the look of whipped coffee and like watching it drip into the cup. I don't know what it is. It's like mesmerizing. So then I just topped it with some cinnamon and it was good to go, and it was really good, especially if you love gingerbread flavor. So if you guys tried this one and you like it, let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, and I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season.